We'll begin our proceeding with the manifestation of the endorsers of Masa et al. Company with respect to its sufficiency in substance. Thereafter, we will be eliciting the comments and opinions, insights of the Justice Committee members on the sufficiency of Masa et al. Complaint. Thereafter, we will be proceeding to voting. Unahin naming pagbotohan by majority of all members present. No? Simple majority. Yung Jesus complaint. And then after that, we will be voting on the sufficiency of the Masa et al. Complaint. No? Ang required number of vote for tomorrow is only simple majority. Meaning, majority of the present members so long as there is a quorum.